Hi friends, today is day 11 of magical practice, a magic morning. The easiest and the simplest way to ensure that we have a day filled with magic is to fill our mornings with gratitude. When we fill our mornings with gratitude, we ensure that the whole day goes with magical moments. Morning is that part of the day when we have lots of opportunities to say thank you and feel grateful for all the things which we come across. And there's a bonus to it that in the morning when you have not started your day, all the thoughts, negative thoughts, they come into your mind to harm you and to ruin your day, which you are not realizing it because you are sitting very calmly in the morning. So, when we fill our mornings with gratitude, there is no place for negative thoughts. After practicing this magical gratitude, we will feel our day ahead more happier and more confident. So, let's begin today's magical practice. It starts as soon as you wake up. You should not move or do anything. Just as soon as you open your eyes, you have to say thank you. Thank you for the life. Thank you for another day to be alive. Thank you for the gift of life. Every day is a gift, but we take it for granted. So, from today onwards, you have to say thank you. As we put our feet down from the bed, say thank you. Thank you for each and every thing which you use or do in the morning. You had a good night's sleep? Thank you. You had your bed, your sheets, your pillow? Thank you. You went to fresh up and you had all the necessities? Thank you. You had the fresh clean water? Thank you. You dress up with all the clothes to choose from? That's a luxury for you. Thank you. There might be so many peoples who might have worked up to make up the clothes which you are wearing today. Thank you to everybody. Then when you go to have your breakfast at your table, your healthy, delicious breakfast, say thank you for all the fresh juices, the fresh morning salad, the tea, coffee or the breakfast, whatever you like, a delicious breakfast, a tasty, healthy breakfast. Say thank you. Then when you move around, you will feel that there are so many things to be grateful just in this morning part. And you will feel full of energy and joy to move ahead in life. Remember the day one blessing also. Count your blessings. You have to write the 10 blessings and say why you're grateful for it. And at the end of each sentence, you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And before retiring for the day, you have to just take your magic rock in your hand or close your fingers and think of the best thing that has happened today and say thank you. I am also thankful for all the difficult people in my life, for they have taught me not to become who they are. For such a lovely audience, thank you, thank you, thank you.